Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the world of love with a focus on the 3 essential elements for a happy and healthy relationship. Let's get started. First up, it's all about understanding. When you truly understand your partner, you can provide them with what they need, even if they don't know it themselves. You can be that steady beacon of support, ready to provide comfort and joy. And that brings me to my next point: appreciation. When you appreciate your partner every day for who they are and what they bring into your life, love will naturally flourish between you two. Finally, we have patience. Love is patient because it understands that change takes time and will only happen when the time is right. With patience, love can grow stronger and stronger day by day. So there you have it, the 3 key elements to a happy and healthy relationship: understanding, appreciation, and patience. Always remember these points to strengthen your bond with your partner and create a lasting love together. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Until next time, take care and keep spreading the love. By Lady Juliet Blue Developers.